Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get public transport achievement in Theme Park Tycoon 2. Achieving this goal requires careful planning and execution of your park's transportation network. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your guests can easily navigate your park using your public transport system. Get ready to boost your park's rating and unlock this special achievement with our helpful tips. To begin, select your preferred transport type, like a monorail or train, based on your park's layout and aesthetic. Strategically place stations at high traffic points, such as ride entrances and the main park gate, to maximize guest usage. Remember to create a continuous track system that links all vital sections of your park, making travel seamless for everyone. Observe your guests' movement patterns to pinpoint any areas where they struggle to reach attractions. Consider setting a reasonable ticket price for your transport system. Sometimes, making it free encourages more ridership. As your park expands with new rides and zones, continuously extend your transport lines to ensure every new area is well-connected and accessible to all visitors. Regular maintenance of your transport system is crucial to avoid frustrating breakdowns and long queues, keeping your guests happy. Strive for high guest satisfaction, ideally around 75%, with your public transport to secure the achievement. Once achieved, you'll enjoy the benefits of a well-connected park and a special reward. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.